My tough day. Listen, learn, and practice to level up your English speaking skills. I wake up to the sound of my alarm. I wake up to the sound of my alarm. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I make my bed. I make my bed. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I take a quick shower. I take a quick shower. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I get dressed for work. I get dressed for work. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I make some coffee. I make some coffee. I drink the coffee. I drink the coffee. I make some pancakes. I make some pancakes. I boil some eggs. I boil some eggs. I toast bread. I toast bread. I slice some fruits. I slice some fruits. I check my phone. I check my phone. I grab my car keys. I grab my car keys. I leave the house. I leave the house. I walk to my car. I walk to my car. I drive to work. I drive to work. I stop at a coffee shop. I stop at a coffee shop. I pay for my order. I pay for my order. I get stuck in traffic. I get stuck in traffic. I honk my horn. I honk my horn. I park my car. I park my car. I congratulate my coworker. I congratulate my coworker. I sit at my cubicle. I sit at my cubicle. I speak with my boss. I speak with my boss. I return home. I return home. I reflect on my tough day. I reflect on my tough day. I water my plants. I water my plants. I mop my floor. I mop my floor. I take another quick shower and lather my hair. I take another quick shower and lather my hair. I dry myself with my towel. I dry myself with my towel. I open my dining room blinds. I open my dining room blinds. I enter the kitchen to respond to an email. I enter the kitchen to respond to an email. I sift flour to prepare some pizza dough. I sift flour to prepare some pizza dough. I roll out the dough. I roll out the dough. I slice tomatoes. I slice tomatoes. I dice onions. I dice onions. I swim in my indoor pool. I swim in my indoor pool. I put away the dishes. I put away the dishes. I fold the laundry. I fold the laundry. I draw the curtains. I draw the curtains. I tidy the bedroom. I tidy the bedroom. I pray and thank God for another day. I pray and thank God for another day. I journal in my notebook. I journal in my notebook. I go to bed. I go to bed. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel to speak more fluently.